If you want to save a game for later on GOG, adding it to your wishlist is quick and easy. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to add games to your wishlist in GOG step by step, so you can keep track of the titles you want without having to search for them again and again. This is a really useful feature if you're waiting for a sale, comparing games, or just building a list of your next purchases. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tutorials just like this. Now let's jump right in. First, open GOG in your browser and log into your account if you're not already signed in. Once you're on the GOG homepage, look over to the left-hand menu and click All Games. This will take you to the full game library, where you can browse or search for the title you want to add. Next, use the search bar to type the name of the game you want to wishlist. As you type, GOG will help narrow down the results, making it easier to find the exact game you're looking for. When the game appears, click on it to open the game page. On the game page, look below the Buy Now button. You should see the Wishlist It option right underneath it. Click Wishlist It to add the game to your wishlist. Once you do that, the game is saved to your account and you can come back to it anytime from your wishlist page. This is especially helpful if you want to keep an eye on discounts, new releases, or upcoming titles. And that's all there is to it. You've now learned how to add games to your wishlist in GOG in just a few simple clicks. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy guides on gaming apps and platforms. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.